Hi, welcome back to new tutorial of the Futures platform full version. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your foresight radars and invite new users. From the front page or lounge, navigate to radars. Click on the image of the radar you want to edit. Click on the pencil button from the top right corner of the radar view. You have a lot of editing options. You can edit the title, sectors, time range, and add or remove phenomena from your radar. First, click on Edit Sectors. Select any sector on the radar and click on the pencil button. You will have the options to edit name and description, add new sectors, or remove the sector entirely from the radar. Click on Close to return to radar view. Next, click on the pencil button again to edit time ranges. You can change the start and end year to match the time frame you want to focus on. Click on Close to go back to the radar view once you've finished. Next, you can add or remove phenomena from the radar. Click on the pencil icon and select Add Phenomena. A new window will open with a list of all phenomena available on the platform. You can start searching for the phenomena by typing the keyword on the search bar. If you don't find what you're looking for, you have the option to create your own phenomena. Click on the phenomena you want to add and click on the Add to Radar button. To remove phenomena from your radar, simply click and drag them out of the radar. Click on the Delete button to confirm your selection. Once you've finished customizing your radar, it's time to invite your colleagues. Click on the pencil button on the radar view and select Share Radar. Click on the Open User Management button and then click Invite Users to start inviting new users. Type the email addresses of the invitees into the bar, or you can upload a CSV file that contains the email addresses. Now you have successfully added your team and it's time to collaborate. You can find more instructions and information on the Futures Platform Hub or contact us at support@futuresplatform.com for more help.